Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 questions you should ask any agency or freelancer when they help you develop your brand. How should my colors be used? A lot of novice graphic designers provide brand guidelines that don't give any indication as to how your colors should be used. It's important to understand how your colors should be used to pass WCAG contrast standards, as well as how to create the most impact in print and in web. The best brand guidelines will differentiate between your primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, as well as your accent colors and a series of UI colors to help you use your branding in a variety of mediums. Another important question that an agency or freelancer should be able to answer is what usage rights you have to your fonts. If they've used a desktop font or a paid font to help develop your brand, what usage rights come with that license? Are you able to use it in print materials? Are you able to use it on websites? These are important questions that will determine how usable your brand is when applied to real-world scenarios. Who is my branding targeted towards? If the agency or freelancer working on your brand has done their homework before developing your brand guidelines, they should have an idea of who your target audience is. You may not be your target audience, and while it's important that you like your brand, it's even more important that it resonates with your target audience and helps you sell more products or services. How many logo variants do I have, and what are they each used for? Effective brand guidelines should include multiple logo variants to fit different scenarios. You will likely need a vertical lockup as well as a horizontal lockup to fit different shaped media. Additionally, you will likely need a full color version of your logo, as well as a black and white and knockout version of your logo to be applied against a variety of different types of backgrounds. If your logo is going to be displayed on anyone else's website or print material, it's important that you have a version of your logo that effectively fits into that space without your brand being diminished. Another important question to ask about your brand guidelines is who needs access to them. The agency or freelancer that you're working with should be able to give you a number of examples of parties that are going to need access to your brand guidelines to ensure your branding is used consistently. This will include anyone who's creating print material for you, as well as anyone who's producing digital media related to your brand. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 5 questions that any agency or freelancer should be able to answer when working on your brand.